Hello, I'm Dan Lyles with Lyles Insurance, and in this video I'm going to help you find affordable auto insurance with a DUI on your record. There's three keys to finding an affordable rate with a DUI. Number one is simply knowing where to look. You probably don't have much experience shopping around for auto insurance with a DUI, so I'm going to help you with that. Number two is how to set up your policy properly. I'm going to help you with that also. And then third, just minor things, but minor things can make big differences as far as how to set up your policy and things like that, and understanding how companies handle DUIs. We're going to get into a little bit of that also. As far as knowing where to look, there are basically three categories of auto insurance companies. Number one is preferred. This is where they only like drivers that own their own home, have excellent credit, and have a clean or nearly clean driving record. They usually won't take anybody with a DUI. Number two is standard companies. They're your middle-of-the-road kind of mainstream, most popular auto insurance companies. Some of them will insure drivers with a DUI, others won't. But of the ones that do, they're usually very expensive for drivers with DUIs. And then the third category, non-standard, which is also known as high-risk auto insurance. This is where you want to look with a DUI on your record. This is where you're going to find the most affordable rate. They are far more DUI friendly, and they don't penalize you as much premium-wise for DUIs. And they're mostly represented by independent insurance agents. So you want to find an independent insurance agent. Now, not all of them sell non-standard auto insurance, but of the ones that do, some of them specialize in high-risk auto insurance. That's where you want to look. It's important that you understand how state filings work, because with the DUI, you're going to have a very high chance that you're going to be required to carry a state filing also, usually for a period of 3 years. In most states, that's going to be an SR-22 state filing. However, Virginia drivers will also see FR-44 state filings, and Indiana drivers will see SR-50 state filings. They all work about the same. A state filing is not auto insurance. It simply attaches onto an auto insurance policy. And all non-standard companies are friendly with state filings just like they are with DUIs. You just need to let your agent know that you're required to carry one. It's very important that you set up your policy properly. And it is very simple. It just boils down to whether or not you own a vehicle. If you do own a vehicle or have a vehicle registered in your name, you simply need to take out a regular auto insurance policy. If you do not own a vehicle, you're going to have to take out what's called a named operator auto insurance policy, also called a non-owner's policy. Ohio drivers also have the option of taking out a financial responsibility bond. Any of these policies will easily attach a state filing onto it. Here are some other key points to know about DUIs regarding auto insurance. First of all, whether you get charged with DUI, DWI, OMVI, OVI, whatever, they're all the same thing as far as auto insurance is concerned. Another thing, you might get the option of choosing between a 6-month and a 12-month policy. If your driving record's clean, it doesn't really make much difference which one you choose. However, if you have a DUI or any other violation or accident on your driving record, you're much better going with a 6-month policy. And here's one that's going to surprise you. If you get a DUI reduced in court down to a reckless op charge, you're actually going to pay more in premium for a reckless op violation than you are a DUI. I know that sounds crazy, but that's how it works. And finally, after you get a DUI, if they suspend your license, don't get caught driving. Just don't drive, period. Even non-standard companies will go hard on driving under suspension charges. Multiple violations from the same incident. This is where, let's say you get a speeding ticket. You get pulled over for speeding, they notice you're drinking, they give you a DUI also. As far as an auto insurance premium goes, they're only going to charge you for the most severe violation you received. So if you got a speeding ticket and a DUI, they're only going to count the DUI for that one incident. As far as state filings go, it's very important that you know the expiration date of how long you need to keep that state filing. If you cancel it too early, your license is going to get suspended again. And if you keep it too long, you're probably paying more than you need to be. And also, it's very important to know exactly what's on your driving record. Getting an auto insurance quote without knowing an accurate driving record, your quote's worthless because the prices aren't going to be accurate. If you don't know what's on your driving record, it's real easy to find out. Just contact your local license bureau. I hope this has helped you understand what you need to know about DUIs regarding auto insurance. Thanks, and have a great day.